Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's just gonna be a chill day. I'm gonna be working on my car, and let's see what we do. Bruh, come on.
Waiting for pairing.
Yeah, guys, we got our clear headlights back, and I might put these on. Bruh, it is hot as hell, bruh. As you guys can see, I have my OEM headlights. The guy that I sold them to, it didn't fit his car because he had a 96, 98 front end, and I got him back. So I'm gonna put them on my car. I just want these rather than the black housing ones, and I might sell black housing ones. So yeah, as you can see, they're a little bit like oxidized and hazy. So I'm gonna restore these a little bit. See if we can take some of that oxidation out. So this is what I'm gonna use to get some of the oxidation out. Use this Meguiar's Plast X, probably Plastics, I don't know, but it's a cleaner and polisher, so use this to restore the headlights. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna hose my car down real quick because this thing is filthy as shit. Alright, guys, I hosed down the car. It's way cleaner than it was before. And now let's get to restoring these headlights. And after I restore these headlights, I'm going to spray it with this Meguiar's headlight coating. So. Alright, guys, so I just finished applying this stuff, and this is what it looks like right now. Pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was before. And I just realized, look at this, bruh, look at that. There's a piece of plastic like gone that broke off inside the headlight. Damn, that makes me sad a little bit, but I'm still gonna use it. Can't really tell anyways, so it is what it is. Now I'm gonna take some of this headlight coating and then I'm gonna spray it on. So let's do that. Golly. Damn, son, she is gleaming. Look at that, like glass, bruh. All right, I'm gonna start on the other one. And just for a quick comparison, that's the one I just did. That's that. Look at that. That's way better. Finish the second one. Again, not perfect, but it'll do. Yo, it is hot as hell, bruh. I'm gonna hold off on putting the headlights in for now. I'll put these in later when the sun isn't beaming down on me and I'm not dying in my car. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later when I put these on. Alright guys, it's the next day. Things came up yesterday. I wasn't able to like put on the headlights, so I'm gonna do today. So let's do it. Bruh, 82% humidity right now. It is hot. Yo, I hate parking under this tree, bro. Like, look at this. More bird shit, bruh. Out of all the places you could shit, it'll be on my car. Bro, at this rate, like, I'm gonna be shredded by the end of the summer. Like, on some serious shit. It's so humid, bro. Like, damn. Yeah, I got both lights in. Not bad, man. That just bothers me though. Damn it. But these lights over here, I'm gonna be selling these, so yeah, I need the money. I kind of want to take them apart and like do some like custom headlights, but I need the money. Yeah. And I should probably put the grill back on, so let's put this on real quick. Come on, 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 come on. Put these little clips in so it doesn't fly off. And boom. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be on the lookout for more content, and if you enjoyed, please like, comment, and sub. Catch y'all next time. Peace.